Hello, hi guys. I am here for fix the Roblox authentication error. Uh, okay, guys, just go to search bar and enter the command prompt. Okay, the new window is open and mention the IP CONFIGFLUSHDNS. Then enter and mention NETSHWINSOCK reset. Then enter. Then exit. Okay, again go to search bar and go on control panel. Just open new window and enter the network and sharing center, and again go to the internet Wi-Fi. Open new window and just go in properties, and now there is new window is open, and go on internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Okay, and then mention the 8888 and 400 and 4. Then okay, and close the window. Okay, and refresh the page, and now you can check your application. It's working now. Okay.